Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. In honor of April Fool's Day, I got a good one for you, and it has everything to do with the toilet. You know we love all things toilet related around here. Okay, we're gonna do this one on my son. I've been wearing my husband out with these hacks, and he's probably not gonna fall for this one. So, cause he knows I'm up to something. So you're gonna get yourself a picture. For those of you that think this is cruel and unruly, I apologize, but I think he'll get a kick out of it. At least we will see. So on the other side here, I have Betty White. So if you're curious about what I did with Betty White, click the previous video. I will have linked at the end of this one right here. So you're gonna go to your toilet. And yes, I will wash my hands after this one here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna put this picture right on this side of the toilet. Make sure that everything is in there really well. Okay, so what's gonna happen is we're going to shut the lid just like this. And then when he comes in to go to the bathroom, because he will be home from school shortly and he almost always comes to the bathroom. Hopefully he just has to pee. And he's gonna come in here and he's gonna lift up the lid and he's gonna go, ah, what is that? Let's see what happens. I think he's home. I just heard him go in the bathroom. What are you screaming about?
There's Joker.
What?
Joker.
The Joker?
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh! He peed in the toilet. Were you scared?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh my word. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments box below if you've tried this. Click the video on screen now to keep the fun going, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.